Are you looking for the best circular saw? In this video, we will break down the top circular saws on the market. At number 1, we have the SKIL 5280-01 Circular Saw. The SKIL 5280-01 comes in their standard crimson and black color scheme that their power tools are known for. It has a high-powered 15-amp motor that can give you speeds up to 5,300 rotations per minute. The blades are held in place with a simple-to-use spindle lock system. This system will ensure blade safety and allow anyone to change the 7.25-inch carbide-tipped blades. With this SKIL circular saw, you will have the ability to do cuts from all different angles up to 51 degrees. This is essential for products that require extra precision and care. Its single-beam laser is going to make lining up your cuts as easy as pie, and they'll be accurate every time. SKIL has done everything they can to reduce the weight of this circular saw as well, as it comes in at an extra portable 6.95 pounds. At number 2, we have the WORX WX429L Circular Saw. WORX has gone with a fairly standard-looking aesthetic choice, as with most of its tools, with basic dark blue with orange accents. This ultra-compact circular saw has an engine powerful enough to give you 3,500 rotations per minute, which will allow you to cut 2x4s in just one go. With a smaller 4.5-inch blade, the WORX saw can do the work of a traditional circular saw and be small enough for intricate details as well. The bevel can be angled between 0 and 45 degrees with minimal effort for more efficiency. Its ergonomically designed grip has a built-in safety trigger that is going to go a long way in preventing accidents. With this purchase, you receive the circular saw and blade, an Allen key, a vacuum adapter, and a hardy 3-year manufacturer warranty. At number 3, we have the DEWALT DCS 391B Circular Saw. You are always going to know a DEWALT power tool when you see it, as their yellow and dark navy color is known everywhere. The DCS 391B has a 450 MWO engine that can produce speeds upwards of 5,250 rotations per minute. With a circular saw this powerful, you are going to be able to get a lot of work completed. As it is part of the DEWALT 20V Max system, it uses an interchangeable 20V lithium-ion battery. This series of batteries is known for its quick charging rates and extended capacity. This circular saw has a shoe made from magnesium, which is ultra durable and lightweight, to give you a long life at work or home. It comes with a 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade that is going to have the strength to get through any material you want to throw at it. At number 4, we have the TACKLIFE TCS 115A Circular Saw. TACKLIFE has been making a name for themselves with their modern-looking designs, and this tool comes in light gray with black lines and orange accents. It is sporting an 8-amp copper motor which will push the blade up to 3,500 rotations per minute while maintaining a comfortable temperature. This saw is capable of cutting anything from wood to PVC and tile with minimal effort. The depth can be changed with ease from 0 to 90 degrees depending on the type of cut you need. The TACKLIFE circular saw has also been designed with comfort and safety in mind. Your safety switch is equipped with double protection to prevent accidents, and the grip is made to reduce stress and balance the tool. To top it all off, you get 6 blades in total with this purchase, which will provide you with everything you need to get started right away. At number 5, we have the Black & Decker BDCC S20B Circular Saw. Black & Decker have a very well-known look with its tools, and the BDCC S20B sports the typical orange and dark blue. This handy circular saw is designed with a powerful high-torque motor that will cut through most things you can throw its way. It is part of the 20V Max series of tools, and they share lithium-ion batteries. If you already own any of this family of tools, you will already have the batteries that you require. The blade of this Black & Decker circular saw measures 5.5 inches and is designed to cut very fast. You have the ability to adjust the bevel without any extra tools, and it has indents at 45 and 90 degrees respectively. With its compact and lightweight design paired with the battery, this circular saw can go anywhere you want it to. At number 6, we have the Genesis GCS 445 SE Circular Saw. Genesis has a common theme with their power tools, and they always stand out with dark gray and hints of mint green. The GCS 445 SE comes packing a 4-amp motor that can spin the blade up to 3,500 rotations per minute. It has an ergonomic barrel-style grip that allows for the controller to use it safely with one hand. The 4.5-inch blade is going to be perfect for cutting just about any material in the 2x range. Genesis has thought of everything with its design, as you can change blades with a simple spindle lock, and the depth and bevel couldn't be simpler to adjust. With the dust port and vacuum adapter, you will never have to worry about dust or debris getting in your way again. At number 7, we have the HYCHIKA Circular Saw. This saw has an interesting aesthetic design with blue, green, black, red, and white throughout. HYCHIKA has equipped this circular saw with a 4-amp copper motor that will keep heat levels down while producing an astonishing 4,500 rotations per minute with the blade at no load. The single onboard laser is there to ensure that your cuts are always precise and true. You can even change the depth with a simple lever from 0 to 25 millimeters. The HYCHIKA Circular Saw is also designed to be safe and easy on the body. It is lightweight and has a soft rubber handle to reduce stress on the arm. It also has double protection on the switch to ensure accidents are a thing of the past. You're going to get 3 different types of blades with your purchase to get you started on a variety of materials. At number 8, we have the Avid Power Circular Saw. This handheld circular saw from Avid Power has a flashy look with bright red strategically mixed with black. It comes equipped with a large 6.2 amp motor that can increase the blade speed to 3,500 RPM with no load. That is enough power to cut through most woods, tiles, and even softer materials. You will also get the ability to angle your bevel anywhere between 0 and 90 degrees for precise cuts. Along with this, the depth guide is designed to be changed quickly and easily. This circular saw is also laser guided to ensure that you are straight and on target with every single cut. The laser serves a dual purpose of sorts, as it also illuminates your work area. With your circular saw purchase, you will also receive 2 diamond blades, 2 TCT blades, and 2 HCS blades for different material types. At number 9, we have the Milwaukee 2630-20 Circular Saw. This Milwaukee circular saw looks just like you would expect with their patented crimson and black look. The 2630-20 circular saw is part of the M18 series of power tools from Milwaukee. These tools all take the same 18-volt lithium-ion battery that can be swapped between each other. They have designed this circular saw with the user in mind. It has an ergonomic handle made from soft rubber. This is going to ensure you have less stress on your hand and arm while working. The depth is adjustable up to 1.5 inches depending on the need, and the bevel can be tilted at an angle up to 45 degrees. Milwaukee has added electronic brakes that will stop the blade faster than ever, and also guards on the top and bottom that are made from magnesium for lightweight durability. At number 10, we have the Makita 5007F Circular Saw. The 5000F from Makita comes in their regular blue-green color with the company name in black. This circular saw is equipped with a ridiculous 15-amp motor that means business at a maximum of 5,800 rotations per minute. The cutting depths available will change depending on the angle of the bevel, and you can do anywhere from 0 to 2.375 inches. These bevel cuts are going to be easier with a guard that is lower than normal. Its base is made from wraparound aluminum that is going to keep the saw stable and give it extreme durability. As well, the circular saw uses a system of 2 LED lights to make sure that you can always see the cut you are making. With a built-in dust blower that clears your work area, you should have a perfect view of your material every time. So that sums up the top circular saws. We hope you enjoyed.